Hello, lovely people. I want to share my favoriteest flow of Qi Gong with you. It's called Embracing the Bird's Tail. And it's a way to practice your honest yes and your honest no. It's a way to come out of gray or maybe and just find clarity. It's also a flow for knowing when to be protected and when to be vulnerable. You don't have to be vulnerable to everybody at all times. Discernment around vulnerability might be a good idea. And it's also does take strength to be vulnerable. So this flow can help with that. Let's get grounded. First, take a few breaths into your lower treasure. Stand or sit tall. Nice deep cleansing breath. Feel your feet on the floor, the ground. Feel the life force coming in through from all that is into all your systems, into your lungs and into your every cell of your being. Bend your knees a little, sink in. Relax and allow. So practicing, the snow feels good. Practicing standing in your yes. Find your yes. Stand tall, stand open and vulnerable. Here's my yes to the universe, yes to life. Then here's your no. You point the powerful points for the heart to the powerful points for the heart and the elbow. This is to protect your heart and your pericardium, the muscle that surrounds your heart. That's your no. Find your yes, open. Switch hands. My left hand points to my right elbow. No. Sink in. Expand. Yes. Exhale. Protection. Embracing the bird's tail. Kind of looks like that, doesn't it? Inhale, open. Exhale, protection. Inhale, open. You're alternating. Inhale, expansive. Exhale, protecting. Discernment. Inhale, yes. Exhale, no. Let's take it further. So my right elbow is bent, my right hand pointing to my left elbow. Now you reach towards that bent elbow side. Reach back towards your right side. And as if you're grasping with a loose hands, powers from unseen forces, powers from your past, your ancestors, from all that is, and you bring it into your future, into your now. It's like paving the way. Draw it in. Press it out. Big circle with the arms, and there's your yes. There's your yes again. Left hand points to right elbow. Here's my protection. Reach towards your left side. Gather forces from unknown sources. Pull it through and in. Draw it in. Press it out. Big circle. Inhale. Stand in your yes. Exhale. Right fingers point to left elbow. That's your protection. Turn to your right. Gather power. Bring it into your present. Pre-pave your future. Draw it into that heart of yours. A bubble around you. Exhale. Inhale. Big bubble around you. And then stand in your yes. And your protection. Left hand to right elbow. Feel that. Feel that solidity here. And then gather power from all that is and bring it in and through. Draw it into that heart. Press it out. Big circle. Gather. Stand open. Take a few breaths here in your yes. What does your yes look like? This is where we can practice an honest yes and an honest no in our communications. That's how we can set our personal boundaries. An honest yes and no in any one moment. One more round. Left hand to right elbow. Protection. Turn to your left. Gather. Pull it in. Draw it in. Exhale out. Big circle. Yes. Right hand to left elbow. Protection. I'm safe. I'm secure. Turn to your right. Gather from unknown forces. Trust that it's there. Bring it into your life. Bring it into your heart. Create a bubble around yourself for pure goodness and source energy. Gather. Stand in your yes. Let's hang out in our yeses together here. Open and receptive. And the mantra for the day, this day and every day, I am open and receptive to all the goodness in the universe. Thank you, life. Hands to heart center. The light in me sees the light in you. Namaste, my friend.